been a fairly choppy and rough ride for the markets today as they try to absorb in the Karnataka mandate, and considering it's not been a clear mandate, a decisive victory for any of the party, now that we know that the JDS is joining hands with the Congress, you don't really know the fate of which party is going to be forming the government. The new twist in the battle really continues, and here's JDS accepting Congress offer for the Chief Minister's post, has agreed to form a coalition government with the incumbent Congress. The outgoing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is now meeting the Governor of Karnataka as we speak, while the senior BJP leaders plan the way forward. Here's some perspective from some of them.
This is the only decision we have taken in the party to support JDS, and JDS can form the government. We will support to head the government.
So far, result all is not announced. Final figure not known. Shortly, we will be knowing the exact figures. Then we will work out the future plan.
In fact, I'm going to take you across to our correspondent Rahul Dayama, who is stationed right outside the Raj Bhavan. Remember, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah is expected to meet the government at 4 p.m. Rahul, hi afternoon. All after all that drama that's transpired from morning 8 a.m. up until now that the JDS has decided to join hands with the Congress, what's the next plan of action? What can you expect when Siddaramaiah meets the governor today?
Asha, you're right. It's really been a nail-biting result. Really. Early on, the trends indicated BJP had sort of clinched it. They had also sort of got the numbers in place. Seems like, a big surprise that really we saw later on, because the BJP's tally decreased, staggering at around 104. And finally, we had Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad confirm that they have reached out to JDS and they have really accepted the offer. Also, they have offered an olive branch, a big olive branch, by offering the CM's seat to JDS. So a very, very, interesting deal for JDS, and unlikely they'll reject it. I am really right now at Raj Bhavan, and at around 4 p.m. is when CM Siddaramaiah is expected to come here and meet the governor. Remember, we saw something similar happen while BJP is saying that they are the single largest party and should get the first chance stake to really form the government. Political observers are questioning about what happened in Goa, in Meghalaya, that in spite of BJP not having the numbers, they did get those numbers, really looking at alliances and stake to form the government. So Congress is planning to do that, and the next few hours will really be crucial if the governor really accepts CM Siddaramaiah's really proposal that they have the numbers on them and want to form the government.
Yeah, seems like a nail-biting finish, almost like a thriller movie. You don't know which way this is going to end, but this is going to be an interesting one.